Hello mga pangga! Welcome to Kantayawbeth channel. So, what I'm sharing today is sa Beth's nail art. So, kani siya, kung ano ni siya, pre-made na ni siya, yung anin na siya from gikan ni sa Color Streets, no? Nga, kuan nga nail polish. Pure nail polish na siya. Wala ni siya lain nga kanang mga chemicals, so pure gyud ni siya. So mao ni ang ako akaron nga buhaton. So magkuan sa ako sa akong kuko, maglimpyo ko dayon gamiton ni nako. Very easy, dili na ta pareha sa kanang liquid nail polish. Ang kalainan ani niya kay kanang sige na very easy to apply, and dili na ka maghuwat-huwat nga o paugahon pa nimo ang imuhang kamot, ang imuhang nail polish kay uga man ni siya, dry naman ni siya, so it's like applying a sticker to your nail. So maglimpyo sa ta sa kamot mga pangga. Join. So shout out diay sa mga nag-subscribe. Salamat sa inyo sa shout out ko sa Mabinat Malusog group, sa mga subscribers diha, ug sa subscriber sa place kog subscribe pod sa Oragon YouTube channel, ug isa pa ng mga local diha sa DIY na Navetche sa ako anang kuan sa ako ng classmates niya napoy sa radio station kay Noel Amistad, o kinsa pa mga kuan nga mga local bloggers. Please support them also. Kinsa si Cara Blesh, og si I think it is kinsa pa na si Cow, I think it is Caitlin, oh my gosh, Caitlin something, hold on kasi na kalimot ko sa Caitlin's Abby's World. Also support them kay iyahapod nga kuan, ang iyahapod nga adhikain nga makatabang pod sa nagkinahanglan. So support lang ta mga pangga, kay nindot man na nga magsuporta sa isig usa, kay ang atong i-aim og kaayuhan sa mga tao, mas i-bless ta ni God. So ayaw kalimot nga suportahi ang mga suportahin ninyo ang mga local channel, labi na og nindot og kanang unsay nga ana adhikain sa para sa ato ang kababayan. Okay, so karon maglimpyuhan sa nato ang akong kamot kay aron limpyo siya. So using kung kinsa toy kamao mo limpyo sa kaugalingon yung kamot, so you should know this is the pusher. So it is you can use it to push the old dirt in your nails. So money pushers. Okay, so next, nail clipper or nail cutter, then nail brush, and cuticle remover, which I diluted with water right now. Yeah, water and soap, that's what I use, but I have the cuticle remover liquid. So, and then I also used mertiolate, or you can say cuticle tint. Okay, and nipper. So nipper to cut your cuticle around it. So dayon, you need this, the nail file. So para i-file nimo ang imong kuko instead of using kuan aron mas smooth ang imong edge sa imong nails. So kay og dili naa man ay masamid unya murag hait siya, so tendency masangit unya sakit og ma-scratch imong skin or masangit sa imong sanina baron. So make sure nga you use nail file to smoothly even your nails at the edge. Pag humanin mo og nail cutter. yeah, since I came here in the United States, that was 29 or wait, 29 years ago. It would be almost 30 years. So, ako ra ang naglimpyo ani ako ang kamot. Never been to uh, salon. So, ako ra ang maghimo ani sa akong kuko. Nya kay, ngano, perting mahala nya mahadlok pug ko nga magpalimpyo, although nga magkuan man na sila sa sanitize, no, pero dili I don't know, dili jud ko komportable kay tungod lagi nga kana ra bang makakuan tab kanang sakit nga kanang kuan mananakod unya dili na ra ba na makuha nya. Usually mag-cut around sa imong cuticle unya na atoy masamad, so ay siguro kuan. So pero like I said, i-sanitize man na nila ang kuan, pero makasunod lagi ka niya unsay nga na nagkuan sa imong kuko niya ug wato nag-aware nga nalimpyuhan to niya, so kuyo kayo niya mag-a-apply sa imo ha. So muna nga ako ra gyud usa pod mahal pud kaayong bayad, so ako nalay ang akong ibayad, ako nalay mo kuan mo kana mo gamit, so save na po ako ang kuan kwarta. So ako ra ang maglimpyo gid sa ako ang kamot. So pasalamat ko ani kaning dry nail polish kay dugay kayo siya kuan sana imong ilisan kay magstick siya sa imong kuko. Dili pareha sa liquid nga mga 3 days ra or 4 days na anay na nasungi na ang imong kuan, nanay na nabuak ng imong nabuak nga sa imuhang kanang kuan sa imuhang nail polish. So mauna nga magkuan jud sayon ana, it's kani siya easier kayo ni siya kay it last like at least 3 weeks or a month nga dili pa ka mag-ilis, magkuan na lang good, makita na lang imuhang nail bed una pa dayon mag-ilis na ka kay taas naman siya tubo, mauning ganahan kay kun niya mo kuan mo gamit. So it was this product introduced by me from Miss Lorna Abansado. So very very good. Ever since ito na yung gamit ko kaysa yung liquid nail polish. So although may kamahalan siya, pero okay na dahil nga kung yung sa liquid, lalo na pag you're attending a party or something like that and you don't have time to dry your nails, we're using the liquid nail polish, so mao ni imong i-apply. Pero ako bisag na lako sa naara sa balay unya kuan gi-apply ni nako kay tungod lagi nga kanang kuan ra ba dili siya hassle nga i-gamiton kay inigpapilit nimo ana, pwede na ka nga kung kahiun ka or something muhunong ka kuan to siya, dili to siya ma-smear, dili to siya makuan once nga you stick it on in your nails, it's good to go. So mao ni siya nga ganahan kayo ko kaysa katong kuan katong liquid, maghuwat pa ka, maghuwat nya dayon pang maghuwat ka unya kahiun ka nya liquid, so nginhanglan makagtabang nga uy tabangi ko hani ko ipaubos rin akong kuan kay maguba ang ako ang kuan nail polish. So karon I can always stop dayon, dili na ko nagkinahanglan tabang kay kay ugaman dili man madaot, dili maguba. So maong ganahan ko ani niya, mao ning naka-diferensya. Usa pod nga long lasting siya. So long lasting that would stay in your nails. So gwapa gihapon imong nails bisag kuan na 3 weeks ago. or a month.
Alright, no problem, as long as you got the number.
So mauna ang
Okay.
kuan.
Okay. Right.
So mauna siya ang kanang kalainan sa nail sa liquid polish o sa kaning dry nail polish. Pareha ra siya og kanang sticker, guys. So siguro ang katong membro sa kuan sa Beth's Nail Art nakakita na nako because I always share this in that page. So nakakita na og unsa ni siya ka nindot. Galing lang, it's not available in the Philippines dahil kung i-ano siya, mahal siya, at as long as kung may kayo, may connection kayo, may kaibigan or whatever na para magbili sa inyo, interesado kayong mag-try out, so bahala na kayo na mag try to get in touch with that relatives of yours or sister of yours if you're interested to try to do, you may do so. So ang pangalan ani, meron namang mga other companies no nag-offer, pero I stick to one sa kuan lang sa company names ang nagbuhat ani niya is Color Street. So sila ang nagkuan. So gikan ni sa Color Street. Okay, kuan.
No, because I was gonna make. I asked her what she wanted for dinner when I was at breakfast.
So mao ni mga kababayan ang kuan nako nga unsan nga anak ako mismo ang maglimpyo sa akong kamot ug sa akong tiil. Di mi mo adto kuan, di mi mo adto. Oh. Di mi mo adto. Oh yeah. Yes, honey. It is very expensive of everything. Batay, kaon lang tabuad anis. You better start learning how to eat ginamos, isda patay.
Even that's getting more expensive.
You gotta start eating unsa na kanang katuba pink hipon.
Ew, that stuff is pollution.
Pag Sabado ay pollution sa imong kagaral.
No, what was it?
Pollution kuno. Tuga lang.
Here, now you got it out of the way.
Dili. No, that's fine.
Yeah, but they can't see.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, like that. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. They can see me. They know that I'm cleaning my nails.
Okay.
So, yeah, I know everything is going up. And, I mean, think about it. Here, it's expensive more as in the Philippines. So,
Yeah, the prices of everything are going up a lot more here than
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, I know.
Everybody thinks that Americans are very wealthy millionaires, and
No.
we earn American U.S. dollars at work, but we also spend U.S. dollars, so it equals out. And I wanted to go see.
Can you give me something to just 2 big hand, please? I'm thirsty.
I guess there's plenty of heat coming out of there now.
Yeah, it's
It took. Oh my God. This one?
yeah.
It took. I didn't have the stove turned up enough. That's why.
I know,
the heater
that's what
kept
the
coming
heater
on.
kept kicking off, and I
Well,
said, Mama was
really
like,
it's really
Mama-
cold.
yeah, Mama was telling me that, oh, why is the heater keep coming on? I don't know.
What do you want to eat now? It's only
No, Ma, it's too early.
4 o'clock.
Yeah,
I guess. Yeah.
she doesn't like that hard that hard chicken wings, hon.
Yeah, you know what? I was thinking about that.
Yeah,
because
don't go there. Don't
I'll get
go
their
in the
pizza.
sink.
We'll go to Tummy Yummies and get the
Yeah.
wings, and I'll get the pizza over at the other place.
Yeah, because
Tummy Yummy's pizza isn't very good, and the other guy there, at least he's a real Italian. He's a real Italian.
Yeah, but I don't like their hot wings.
Yeah,
It's
their wings
too-
are no. Yeah, I didn't like. I could tell by looking at them that
Yeah.
they aren't very good.
Yeah, but okay.
You need to get that taken care of, Mommy.
The dentist got scared. Okay, what do you want to do with that?
2 weeks ago, Huey had every one of his teeth taken out. Every one of them. They might have to do that for you too. Or you know what you could do? You could always be like Thea Kanek and just have that one. And one time when you see her, she has it. She has it.
No, I
Then
don't
you go
think
back-
that tooth will already fall out.
And she keeps putting it back into her mouth. One time you'd see her and she's got that tooth and she's going like this with it, playing with it. And then the next time you see her, she didn't have it in. And then you'd see her a little bit later and it was back in. I'm like, what the heck?
No, it was not
Yes,
back
it
in. She was just hiding it from her tongue. Amaw, she can't be putting it back in. That duh. That was. Yeah, so. Ma, you can't.
You can't leave it like that.
You
It gets-
can't feel the pain. So don't worry about it.
Yeah, they give you plenty
To
of
numb
things.
to numb your mouth.
They might even put you to sleep.
Yep, if that's too many.
What kind of specialist does she have to go to?
Periodontics, because they have to go and study her health issue with regarding with her bones density and all that.
Yeah, when is she gonna go do this?
Hold on, I'll let you know. We did not do the appointment. It's in the car. If you want to do that, you can. But I don't even know where this place is. So
Well, you have a GPS.
yeah. I know that, but I'm just saying, like. Huh? Ma, it's not a dentist. You already been to dentist. You want they
You gotta go to
refer
a specialist.
they refer you to the specialist. There's a purpose why they refer you to that.
Yeah.
Because the regular dentists don't want to just go ahead and do that because there's some health issue with you. They want to make sure that your bones is strong or whatever, your teeth is safe to pull out, so that's why you need to see the specialist. Di na pataka sila og kuan. Pangibot diha og unsa og dili safe na ibton. So now, after you see the periodontics, then you go back to the dentist so that they can make your postizo or whatever that needs to be done.
Yeah.
So that's how it works. Yeah, I know. Dili sila mo cover sa kuan sa kanang pulling out teeth. Ay pasagad lagi istorya, dili lagi ang dental nila maitawagan unsa man kuan. Yeah, that's not that. No, ma. dili lagi kita may mutawag ang inig-agto na nato na sa kuan sa Peridentex. Dahil sila ray mo kuan ana. Kung unsay pila ang amount imong cover, what is the coverage of your dental? La 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 la. Na 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 na. Nagkuan ko diri ma, nag-live ko diri ma. Nagkuan ko. Nag-video. It's okay, pero ayo pagkuan detail sa imong kuan. Anong musabat man ka? Okay ra musabat ni ka. Namay naminaw pero dili ka mo detail sa imong personal things diya. So man nata sa video. Wa pa ma. Ano to siya? Ay, kabala ka. Uy, ingon mo to siya nga. Siya man ay pirmi mo kuan sa imong taxes. Mag-uul man ka. No. We know when is the deadline. So you don't have to worry about that. John Paul knows about all that. So karon ang ako ang kuanon ani akong giplanuhan nga ibutang ani sa ako ang kuko kaning mga leftover nako si tan-aw ni nako og kanang kuan pa ba ni siya still good pa ba ni siya kay a while na ra ba ni nako nga naablihan. So kung dili makuha ko bag-o nga color mo na toy akong gamiton og dili na ni siya kuan na ni siya kanang mura na ni siya na expired ba kay nabuksan na kuan na magud nako naablihan. So we'll see. Hopefully that they're still good. So tan-awon lang nato. Alexandra ano ma? Anas. Si kuha na Ana Sandra di ay Ana Sandra. Di des Alexandra. Mo ni basta mga babae ba kay daghan kayong arte. Limpyo this, one limpyo that nga kuan nga ang mga laki may buong nga mauning anak manginanit ako pong ingnon nga it's part of being a woman. Mutubag pug mo unsa na mo ipsot pug ko sa kayahang pangutana kay ug pangutana pug ko bitaw siya kanang sa lalaki moingon ko siya it's part of being a guy o di mutubag pug ko anong daghan maglikag bag nga di man na nimo magamit tanan you don't understand it's part of being a woman di katawa lang siya kaya ako man kanon ako man dayong supon. Bawas-bawas lang good. Bawas-bawas. So akong gi-form ako ang kuko murag square siya. Ang ako ang gusto nga ma-form karon dili nang kanang kuan. Dili nang pinatulis kayo pinatulis gud mo. Kuan man kanang unsay na dali ra siyang although kani nga nail polish makapakuan siya makapateken siya sa imuhang nails. Pero ang kanang kung magpatulis kung for some reason dali ra siyang mabali kay masangit man mapiko ba niya usahay makuan masangit siya mauna nga mabali siya permi so di ko ganahan sa kanang patulin o patulis nga kuan nail cut sa kuang kuan sa kuang nails so gusto na ko kanang mura siya kuan mura siya square gamay unya at the edge so mura siya kanang gayo para magkuan siya mag dili siya kanang hait o porma ba. Hapit na mahuman og limpyo ini kahumag limpyo ani brasan ang ako ang kamot with kuan hand soap brasan ni siya kay aron limpyo dayon apply dayon ni siyang cuticle tint which is like kuan kanang unsay nga martiolate. Okay, I like to use martiolate dahil lalo na pag may cut ka sa edge so it will help kuan na siya kanang unsay nga dili makuanan sa kanang bakterya ba. Sa akong tiil kuan ra kay ko kanang seldom ra kay ko maglimpyo sa akong tiil basta winter kay dili baya na tago baya na permi na imedyas gawas ka naka boots basta winter so unya pag kuan na pag summer na ana pa ko maglimpyo sa ako ang tiil all kuan like I guess like you know monthly ako ang kuan sa akong tiil kay kuan naman siya duas na siya sa gawas o magkuan man ka magsinelas magchinelas di ay dayon magkuan mag sandals kay magkuan ra pod mag unsay nga ana ug mag sapatos o close shoes which is that is for the exercise or running shoes mga sa tuwa pa na rubber shoes atong tawag ana pero dire ko ana siya sneakers so kung mag sneakers permi kay magkuan mag unsa na ang uban diri permi nang magkuan pero ako initan ko basta summer so magkuan ra ko ana kung mag rubber shoes ra ko kung kanang usingan ana mag exercise or kanang magkuan may gawas mi sa akong bana nya mag most we are doing is walking so kana magkuan ko mag rubber shoes ko pang walking kayo mag flat pug kanya magkuan ka mag nya sana taas imuhang lakaw nya wa kay kuan na way support ang imuhang heels kuan man na siya makakos og kanang back pain kay very flat ang imuhang sapatos nya way support ang imuhang kuan arch sa imong likod so muna nga magkuan ka mag back pains gyud ka kung taas imong lakaw pero dili okay ra sandals fine use the sandals or slippers kuan siya today is our lessons is about beauty tips and healthy tips beauty tips and health tips okay sa unsa ra man das maggansa ko ang conversation guys kay aron dili mo maboring. Kaya wa man ta nagpa-sound, so ako ko nagkuhan og TV. Kaya mag-TV ko dire, di ko madali og kahuman sa ako ang gitagbaho kay. Magsige magtan-aw, magsige gli. May na nga diretso ang ako ang trabaho. Ano siya, na-icon sa, nagingi siya, nails ni siya nako niya. Isang memorab maligna. Dala, nakuha na. Then, I'm gonna use this. Dire sa Amerika karon ang weather dire is tugnaw kaayo kay gahapon nag-snow pero gahapon dili, although nag-snow gahapon pero dili kay tugnaw, so pag abot na og gabi murag alas 5 siguro to, hapit na alas 6 ni hunong ang snow dayon ni lower ang temperature, so ibig sabihin nagkuan siya, nag-drop ang temperature, so natugnaw siya. So karon ang temperature karon is 28 outside, 28 degrees outside, and sa ako amo is 78 kay tugnaw man ni. Pero may maninghay ang among balay always ni kuan either stay at in 75 or 78 mo na ko ang normal temperature diri sa among balay, kay og lower than that kanang sa nga tugnaw naman, so naanad naman ni kay tungod na amay ko ang cold stove akong bana ba dito sa silong, so og hinay gali tugdagan tugnaw ang taas, so kinahanglan kuan na niya full blast na niya karon nindot og kuan sa taas ang temperature niya. Also ang kuan og hinay ragdagan ang ihang cold stove mo kick in pud na ang regular nga heater na electric heater. I mean oil, not electric oil. Electric is so expensive. Kuha kang electric kuan sa ang imuhang sana imuhang bayron nun sa electric, perting mahala kung naa kay electric na heater. triple pang imong bayron. So, nanhi sa Amerika guys, o dili jud kamo kayod, wa po kay kung ano, wa po kay kwarta. So, kayod ka, kay aron na ay kwarta. Na, dinhi. So, kay, unsaon na lang ang mga bayro nun, o dili kamo kayod. Na life dinhi sa kuan. Sa Amerika. Sa Amerix. Sa Amerix. So, sa sunod nga kuan ma, nahuman na Anasandra? Oh yeah, that's right.
Let's see here. Put that one back. That should be. If it's not, we'll pay for it. I'll pay the difference.
Okay, thank you.
No, thank you, Ma. Thank you for giving me $20.
Sama na.
Para, babe.
Say para bir. Muna na itong duha ron para bir.
Para, babe. $20 for babe.
Okay.
Who wants a spanking?
Show it.
Kamong duha ang bunalan.
Show it. Oh, it's getting warm in here finally.
Yeah, I was looking at the thermometer.
Did I have this door
It's
closed all the way?
75, I think. Oh wait, 78? Yeah.
Yeah, that's warmer than it was.
Yeah.
Where's
because
the heater on again?
earlier? Huh?
Did the heater come on again?
No,
Oh, all right.
I didn't hear it. Earlier, it was kept coming on.
I
That's
know.
what Mama. When you went to the doctor, the heater was like kept coming on. I'm like, wonder what's going on. So I didn't know. Did you turn the
Is this-
heat down?
Is this on?
Huh? Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm just gonna go double check and make sure the stove is
Closed.
good.
Yeah. I know, but earlier I don't think you turned it up.
It's still on.
Huh?
Cleaner sa cellphone.
Oh, pasok ro na diha. That's it, and you close it. Ma, it's already on, Ma. All you have to do is put that your cell phone inside and close that lid.
Huh?
No, I'm telling Mama to Oh, can you help Mama there because she said it's not plugged in.
What's
The-
not plugged in?
The cleaner, the cell phone cleaner,
Oh.
the germs cleaner. She said it's unplugged, so.
Here, I'm gonna. Right.
Asam ka man? Gwapa ba kay ka ani mong buhok? Tanawar mo na imong forma. Kuya, wanta ni mo kitaan ka sa kanang unsing na sa kamera ba maingom tingali nga. Maingom tingali lo, som na uy. Na may kuan, na may kanang abat. Na, human. Nagan ang kuan, ma'am. Nagan ang kanang subscribe. Imbis subscribe, daga na lang. Hapit na guys, hapit na oh. Kari na lang. Kari na lang ang so mga pangga ang kuan ang kanang kaartihan ni sa kuan. Kaartihan ni sa iring. Na nangarte ang iring so magkuskus ta anig tinuod kay aron magwapa ning kamot sa iring. Oh, sure din ako ganina ba. Ganina nagkuan ko so kuan ko home spa treatment. So nagbutang ko og mud pack sa akong naong. So of course kanang sige na akong bana nakuyuan ingon siya. The heck? Nagtanaw siya, nagkatawa siya sa tanaw nang imong naong naunsa na. Han, help Mama to remove that case. I don't think she's strong enough to take that out.
What? Oh.
Because that's very hard.
Ooh, that's hard.
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna
Yeah, if I can take it out, she would not be able to take it out.
put it up here where it can be reached.
Yeah, that case of her cell phone, it's just so unbelievable tight and hard to take it
I
out.
got it all.
You got it out?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Good. Good boy. So I'm gonna use all these old ones, mixed and matched color.
Oh,
So it's Valentine's, it's red, and then flowers.
Get the mail? Okay. Well, don't you want to go out in the mud?
No.
Why?
Oh yeah, when you go out, you go out to get the pizza and the hot wings, right?
No, you will.
No. You will. You're my honeycomb, and
You're admin, so you
hey.
are the admin.
Uy, hapit na gyud siya, mahuman. Katugon ba ako guys kay ngano wa ba ko katug tarong gabi eh. Kuan ko natug ko mga siguro mga launon na nyo sayo bugoy na mo to. Kaya kung ba nagipukaw po ko mga alas sa bato sa alas 6 pa man siguro to. Alas 6 kuon alas 6 pa to siya namukaw kay mga G ko no minsan. Ang tsuga na pray. Oo de, sige na mga G na ta. So nangadji mig sayo sa amo sa Divine Mercy. Nya himbalik ko katog. Ya pag taod-taod na pod, pagkataod-taod na pod nibalik na pod kay adto na pod sa akong bed. Kay pakanon na pod ko ni og breakfast. So di mo jud pakatugon ni kung banaw. So nangaon barog na pod ko kay kaon ko breakfast. Ngay nagluto. Nagluto man siya sa kuan ko Valentine's
Okay,
Day.
admin, close your eyes.
Yay! I'm closing my eyes. Yay! I got something here. Fragile.
Yeah.
Fragile.
Spanking.
Fragile. No spanking, Haniku.
Car insurance.
Yeah, probably.
No, mine.
No, nothing here for nothing says mama on there.
And if there is, it's probably junk mail.
Yeah, that's okay. Mama believes everything she sees. Don't be mad.
Well, do you remember, Han? Do you remember the first time I was receiving the mail and it says that you won? You know, they send you the car key, something like that in the mail.
yeah.
And I told you, like, come on, honey. They said that I won a car. And you started cracking up. You're laughing really hard. I said, why are you laughing at me? It's like, look, they sent me the key. But
Yeah, and then they
I
said-
said that they try key. You must try the key in, and if the key doesn't fit, that means you can't have the car. Like, what the heck? So we went anyway. Remember?
Yeah.
We went one time in Florida. I said, who knows? You know, it could be us that who got the key that they
Mhm.
give it out to. But anyway, that was fun.
Yeah.
You get to see all their cars and the display and all that.
Yeah.
Is that the same place where I got my car there?
I don't know.
I think so. The Ford Escort?
No, that was someplace else.
Oh, okay. Yay! Almost down to my last pinky. My
Oh, yeah.
pinky.
Your stinky pinky?
What's this pinky?
Kani ding box na niya sa ilang sa kuwan.
Kang kardo na ma, di na ako ma.
Sa mga school.
Both lang. Mama's asking what's that big box underneath on the coffee table.
Oh, it's a new filter for the.
Oh yeah, the vacuum cleaners underneath, right?
Yeah.
Well, can't you get it at Lowe's though? No.
It's,
It has to be.
I don't know if they still. I don't know if they sell them at Lowe's, but.
Yeah, I would think so.
Yeah, but that's a Sears. That's a Sears vacuum.
Okay.
I'm lucky we can get them on the internet at all.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's where we got it from.
Yep.
Hapit na, mahuman guys. Mga pangga, hapit na ko mahuman. So, ato ning humanon aron gwapa tanawon ni nato og kaning kuan, kaning ako ang mga kani siya og mga lain-lain man ni siya color niya, leftover ni sa kanang gamit nako ba niya. Magkuan ko ani ron mag gamito ni nako akong nail art kunuhay sa color design sa ako ang nails. Kuan tagaan ni nako og kanang facelift. Mag facelift ning ako ang nail polish ron. Lain-lain ni red color, tanaw na to unsay resulta ni. Inig human. Okay. Oh, Han. Han. May song-song sa dunggan. Warahi ma karong kita ni mama. Aron matangtang ing song-song. Warahis kamot.
Hello, you want you?
Hello, you.
Did you ask your brother about the Hello Kitty wine?
No, I didn't get a chance to talk to him last night.
Oh, because you're too busy talking to.
I tried to call him first, and then I called Nancy, and
Okay.
I just ended up talking to her.
Oh, okay. Copy. Okay, so manana ko limpyo. Kani manana ni siya limpyo. Limpyo na. So ako sa ning hugasan dayon butangag sabon kay aron na mga kuha na diha kung na mga bacteria or something before I apply sa kaning kuan. Kaning mertiolate sa. So here, clean. Isa. Put that away. Dayon ning sa tani. Ito sa ning limpyahon. So, brush. Ato ning direta sa. Okay. So, kinahanglan ng limpyahon kay aron di na siya mamilit og kuan ari sa ta. Diri sa ta sa kuan mag hugas ako sa kamot nako. Diya sa sinaw na akong kamot. O, limpyo na. Sinaw na na. So, let's do pauguhon na to gamay. Sinaw na siya. Oh. Let's see. So, humanan ako brush. Okay, after that, magkuha na. Utang ani. So, nanay siya kuan. Wait. Okay. Okay, so I will start with my pinky, then ring fingers, then middle fingers, then tudlo, point fingers, and then tongue. Lain-lainon na ko siya o kuan guys kanang color. So, peel the sticker off. So, dara ang nail polish oh. Nagkuan siya. Then, there is a clear here, purple. So, mo na siya ang kuan. So, it looks like ang kuan siya, nigahi siya oh. Nigahi na siya. So, dili na siya pwedeng gamiton kay nigahi na siya. Yeah. Let's see. So, I don't think. What's that? What's that name? Yeah, mabuak na gid siya. So, that's no good. Leftover maguni. So, no good na na siya. Isa, tanawin na ito ng uban. Dugay na kay ni siyang kuan leftover na ko ato pa ning last year. So pareha man kay nail polish man gud ni siya. So makuan pud siya ba mahupas. Kay pure siya nga nail polish. So if you wanna save it, you can't save it for so long kay makuan siya oh. See? Makuan gud siya oh. Nagahi siya oh. Nag-break na siya easily. So that means it's no good. You can't use them, see? It's the pieces are like breaking like crazy. Okay, so that's no. Mas kani siya bako panin ako nagamit. So ako na siyang gi-check. See, kung okay pa siya, kani siya, nipple nimo matangtang siya sa ibabaw. Pero dili na okay, dili na to siya ma-remove. So this one looks like it's still good. Na to. Although this one is gahi na po siya. Yeah, no, I will not use it. Let's gahi. Do, stick na hinoon guys. Nawa na. Nakadukot ang uban. Agoy. Yan di na to padukoton kay mudukot na siya magpuan na punta mabaw na punta kuskus o sana kanang ako man hindi pang check dugay naman tanin nako nga ipanglabay lilion na to ang kaning mga leftover ni guys sawa ni siya puan. Kato pa man ning last year na abi nako magamit pa nako og akong isiyag dili na di ay kay kuan na siya kanang mahukos din ni siya. This one did not. Okay, this one seems like smooth. I might not be able to. Okay, pang testingan ra ni nako siya karon kay lagi akong ipanglabay niya sayang og ilabay ni mga dili pa nimo testingan o kuan siya o gahi good siya matigas good siya. So pakit-on ta mo sa ako ang mga katong bag-o ba nga kinahanglan gamiton magpili pa ko og kuan magpili ko og bag-ong color. Pero ako ning limpihon lagi kay daghan kay mga leftover niya sama aning nga kuan na sana kay tungod sa kakaraan. Oh, mabuak na siya. No good. No, come on. So may ano niya once kuan na siya kanang kausara apply dili kung ay leftover ka butang mo sa imong tiil. Buak na good. Mao ni siya dugay na kung gikuhan. So mga pangga, thank you for watching ha. So i-update lang i-update ko kayo pag sana ako ay sa makuha na lang ko bagong color magputi ko. I'll do white para makakita mo kung ko masaning white kuan kung laing color. Just say hi to them for a minute because I'm going to get my nail polish. Talk to them.
She's gonna go get her nail polished. Isn't that wonderful? What I'm doing is I'm staying out of trouble because I'm still on the sick list. I had my kidney amputated. It's called a nephrectomy. And I only have one kidney left. So hopefully in 2 more weeks I will get to go back to work. And what I'm doing is I am watching a very old World War II movie about the Battle of Britain. And the Battle of Britain is why I am speaking English and not German right now, and you guys would all be speaking Japanese. The Battle of Britain was in 1940, before Pearl Harbor and the Americans in the Philippines started fighting the Japanese. Yeah, when did the Japanese attack Philippines?
Well, you're good on that.
1942.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was 1942. I'm usually pretty good with this stuff, but I guess not today. Y'all probably know that better than I do. If somebody could leave that in the comments. But the Battle of Britain, Germany was, the National Socialists of Germany were trying to invade England. They had already taken over Europe and had all of Europe under control, and they were getting ready to invade England. And the British Air Force was literally down to only a handful of airplanes, and they would not have lasted another 2 weeks. But one of the German bombers made a mistake and accidentally bombed London, and that was a big no-no. They weren't allowed to do that, and it was an accident. They bombed London. And Winston Churchill got so mad that he ordered the bombing of Berlin as retaliation. And let me finish the story. I'm almost...
I know.
All right, never mind. Okay.
Y'all
Y'all can look this up on the internet and see it for
Bye.
yourself. Bye.
No mention. No mentioning bomb, because this is like YouTube. They're very
It's-
strict about.
World War II.
I know, but
You can use the word bomb in context.
Okay.
You can't say, I'm going to bomb the White House. That's different.
well, you just say that, then that's stupid. Duh. So, naminaw mo atong kuan stories akong bana about the World War II. Napashare pa bamba magoy Ginoo ko. Inko ayo diha ka nag mag-YouTube ta. Ibutang na nato sa kuan. Cha, contact dili na kuan. Okay, kani mao ni siya ang kaning bag-o. So, bag-o ni siya nga nail polish mao ni akong i-apply. So, lahi ni siya kani siya nga nangagahi na mauning leftover sa ako ang naagian nga kani, and ani ni it comes in this packet. So when you open this package, it comes with the disposable nail file. All right, nail file here, and then there's also the okay, so color straight, and then nail file. Yeah, not butang. So nail polish prep pad. So you wanna clean your nails so the thing would stick really good. Suit yourself ang kuan ani ang title aning kuan na nail polish. All right, ang ani niya para matag kuan aning himo naman ang title na to. Okay, so here, that's the color. And then say mauni sa kumagko. So you paste it like this. say ang diferensya sa kanang bag-o nga package, so mo kuan na siya kuan ka na siya kanang pilit kay na mo dukot na dayon sa imuhang kuan sa imuhang kuko. So then all you have to do is kanang ikuan na nimo, i-push na siya nimo nga way air nga in between sa imong nails, mura kang nagkuan po kanang kay tawag anak kanang nagpapilit og kana yung sticker ba pre atong pagkuan. So kung way air inside them, it would last longer. So mao na ni siya diha sa tunga. Okay, so here, and that's ready right there. Okay, so there's the other half. There's the other half. So I'm gonna use this to my other side, to my right hand side pinky. So that one, put it properly and put in around it. There you go. It's kanidi ay nga nail polish hinatag ni Ms. Lorna Abansado sa iyahang kuan, iyan yung gihatag nako pag kuan ni siya pinaskuhan ni gikan niya.
Are you sleeping? Okay, you better stay awake so that way you can see the flame. Okay. Oh, no.
Okay, so here. Muna na siya. Okay. So naka-apply na. So then go on, so on and so forth. So the next one would be
You're
this
going
color.
live at 3
Color,
o'clock in the
color,
morning?
color. Huh?
You're live at 3 o'clock in the morning?
No, I'm not live. I'm taping, hun.
Oh,
So
okay.
that way I can, put it on.
Oh.
Here. So next was the pinky. And then, the other color here. So it's like a plain color. I'll put the plain color to my tudlo. So sa pointers nako. Second. So where is that color in the middle? Then hopefully that it's long enough to put it in the other side, other thing. So you try it on, and you put it straight, and push, and it looks like I made it. And there's a little bit short, but it's okay. Doesn't look stupid or kanang kuan siya noticeable. So Okay, so it's right here. Okay, so see this piece right there hanging. All right, I will show you. So when you are putting it in, so here, so kaniray siya iduot gamit sa ang push. So you push that in. So look, I'm gonna push. See if you can see.
Okay, admin.
So that's it. You just have to press it. Press around it. So no
Press,
air
press,
inside.
All the air
So
bubbles out.
two, and then so that should be good. Alright. And then sa maning kuan. Asa naman to ako wag tangan ako ang kuan. Mablay na lang kung usap.
More like abnormal people, like.
Okay, so tara. So all you have to do is trim around the edge of your nail polish, and then so matangtang na siyang kanang nagsangit diha. Okay? Okay man na. Limpyo na. Okay. So next one is this. So push. Oh, this one first. Push. And push so no air bubbles inside your nail polish there. Okay, so makadikit siya og tinuod. So pag human manana siya. So you can go around your kanang singan ana kana bang yang nang siwil. So kung ano na nimo pwede ra na siya nimo tangtangon nga murag og naglimpyo ka nga kuan kanang sa kuan nga regular nail polish nga liquid. So this one ang nakalain lang ani kay di siya hugaw ba, so mao nang ganahan ko dili hugaw unya pwede na ka pag human ani pwede na ka maka kuri dayon ug unsa imong buhaton. So kung gusto ka mangihi, so no worried to get smear or you have to wait until it's dry. So no, nindot na. Okay, so dayon karing ako ang tudlo. So finger point. Okay, see point finger di ay kanti nagbali-bali ning mga Bisaya kay og ato ang ining lesson diretso mabali man gyud tuwad ang kon matuwad to alig yun ug i-convert dayon nato sa Bisaya nga kon. Okay, here go. Okay, so manana limpyo, trim around it, trim. Okay, then kare na pod. So push. So here. So mauna na limpyo. So mauna na pangka. So ako na ning tiwakson unya kanang take care and God bless, and thank you for subscribing the Kantayawbeth and Mabinat Malusog group. So salamat sa inyong mga pangga, and take care, and please like and share our videos, okay? And see you soon. Bye-bye. Bye.